Okay, the most anticipated Samsung trifold phone is reportedly set for its first public appearance, and we finally have concrete details on initial reveal date, the rumored specs, and a wild price tag of this double folding device. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to the video. Starting off, the biggest news is the first public sighting. According to someone familiar with the matter who spoke to Bloomberg, the new device will be shown at the APEC summit in South Korea, which is happening between October 31 and November 1. This timing seems totally plausible, especially since an earlier leak that pointed to a September reveal didn't pan out. Now, it's important to note that this isn't a traditional product launch. The Samsung trifold phone will likely be presented in an exhibition space, probably under glass, for an initial public look. This means people can see it, but they won't be able to touch it or test its durability. We can expect a proper launch with a full hardware reveal and retail availability starting in South Korea as soon as November. So what about the hardware? Leaks suggest this phone unfolds into a large tablet-like panel, a design similar to Huawei's Mate X-T. Current speculation is pointing toward an inward folding design that includes both an inner and an outer screen. And internally, it might feature 3 separate batteries and use the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Samsung's entry into the trifold category is a huge deal. It creates a real product race, adding momentum to a category where Huawei has been the primary competitor. If Samsung delivers a polished build, this could be a major shakeup for its product lineup. Now, let's talk about the downside, the price. This new technology will definitely come at a high cost. Rumors estimate the launch price for the Samsung trifold will be around $3,000. Just for context, Huawei's second-generation trifold is already around the $2,500 mark. Initial production is also expected to be very small, with the first run of only about 50,000 units, which is significantly less than Samsung's usual output for its flagship phones. The combination of the high price and the limited stock will definitely keep these devices in a niche category for some time. The Galaxy trifold will likely be launched globally at some point, but when and for how much is the real question that remains. So, a $3,000 trifold phone with a massive screen and limited stock is officially on the way. The biggest takeaway here is that Samsung is finally making their move into the true folding phone category, adding serious competition to the market. Do you think a $3,000 price is worth it for this new tech? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you found this update helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.